Hello everybody, this is Mr. Storm, and in this video we are going to talk about how to create new websites for our web development class. Now, the nice thing about Dreamweaver is it has a ton of features. Matter of fact, it has a lot of features that we're never going to use. We're going to keep it as simple as possible in this class. We're going to create files in a way that is incredibly easy to replicate. We're going to save files in a very easy to find place. So here's the steps. Here are the steps that you need to take in order to create new files whenever you're working on a new project. First, on this home screen, you're going to want to click Create New. Now, if you already have a project open, you can do the same thing by clicking File, New. Okay? On this menu, we have a lot of options we can choose. We are only concerned with the top option here, HTML. And all we have to do is click Create, and it will create a brand new HTML document for us to use. Now, if you're, let me go ahead and close that out. So it's telling us that we want to create a new site. A site lets us manage our code and assets, blah, 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 blah. So we're actually going to turn that off. We don't need to worry about managing sites in this class. Again, this is a very basic web development class. All right, so let's talk about this view. I have mine set up to split. Split will allow us to put the code on one side and the live preview on the other. We can change to design mode if we'd like. I like live. If you want to change this, we can go to view and we can change the view mode. We can change to a different split. So we can have code on one side and code on the other. We can split it horizontally if we'd like. So it's completely up to you how you want to split it. I like a vertical split. Okay, so now over here we have our code. Over here we have our preview. Notice that our file is untitled -321, whatever, however many untitled projects you have. We want to save this before we do anything else, okay? So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to click Save As. Now notice that it opens up a default directory. For me, it's a web dev. I've already saved projects before. So for you, it's probably going to be, I don't know, your documents folder or something. What you want to do is you want to create a new folder with your name on it, either in your documents or on your desktop. I would recommend your documents folder. Okay. What you can do is navigate to that folder, documents folder, and over here in the Windows panel, you can right click and choose new folder. And I would change the name of this folder to your last name. So for me, it'd be Storm and Web Dev. That way you have a folder with your name on it and Web Dev as the so Storm Web Dev or Jones Web Dev or whatever, right? And we're going to save all of our projects in this folder specifically. And I'm going to entitle this the name of the assignment. For us, it's HTML, but you don't want to name it HTML because that's also the domain extension. I'm just going to call this first website. Oh, site. First website. Save. So now we have firstwebsite.html. And as I make changes to this website, you'll notice that they all get saved to that document. Now, where does that document exist? Because you're going to need to be able to find it later so that you can turn it in when you're done building this website. If we go to our File Explorer here, and we go to our Documents folder, and we go to Storm Web Dev, there's our first website right there. Okay, so you want to save all of your web development projects to the same folder so they're easy to find. You want to give all of them a name which makes sense so that they're easy to find. Okay, hopefully this clears up some of the confusion, and I'll see you next time when we start writing some actual code.